Here's how I made my 80% hydration sourdough. Start with 450 grams of water, 270 grams of sourdough, and add 500 grams of Manitoba, 150 grams of semolina, and 100 grams of whole wheat flour. Start mixing until everything is combined. Then cover and leave to autolyse for 30 minutes. This helps the gluten develop naturally. Next, mix on a medium speed and add 150 grams of water until everything is combined. Then add the salt and continue mixing until the gluten has developed nicely. Once you have a good gluten development, take from the bowl onto the table and give it one fold. After the first fold, place into a covered box and leave for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, do a second fold and continue to fold every 30 minutes until you've completed 5 folds. Folding helps further develop the gluten. After the 5th fold, leave 45 minutes to rest and double in size. This recipe makes 2 loaves at 800 grams each. Next, split the dough in 2, you can weigh it if you want, and then shape by pulling the dough towards you and turning it each time. Leave the dough to rest for 30 minutes. Now it's time for the final shape. Spread it out flat and bring all the sides in until you form a nice tight dough. Roll the dough up and put it into a basket. Then leave it in the fridge overnight or at least for a few hours. The next morning you want to tip out onto a piece of parchment paper, score with a sharp knife or razor blade. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Celsius with a pizza stone or Dutch oven inside. Place the bread onto the pizza stone, cover with a pan and cook at 200 for 25 minutes. Remove the lid and continue to cook for a further 20 to 30 minutes. When the bread is cooked, you should be able to tap the bottom and it will sound hollow. Find the full recipe in the description and let me know how it goes. Please like and subscribe for more recipes from me.